Good morning, this is Cromford Canal in Derbyshire, just outside Matlock. We're sort of right on the edge of the Peak District area, but I thought I'd come down here, not for a sunrise, because for one, I overslept and missed it, but today it's all about the film photography. So here's the bridge that I was thinking of. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to see which side has the better light and the better reflections in the water and start setting up. I'm going to choose the other side of the bridge because from here I don't really get any reflection of the bridge in the water, so let's go back to the other side. So as you can see, I'm now set up my first shot. I've just got some minor tweaking to do of just got some minor tweaking to do of just getting this level. I'm very gingerly balanced on the end here, but it's a nice shot. I think this will come out nice and black and white. Now what I need to do is take a reading. The minimum aperture on this is f3.5, so f4 is going to be nice. And I'll just set the focus of the bridge. So f4 at 1/25 of a second at 400 ISO. So let me just set all those settings up. Got my shutter, 1/25. We are at, oh, we're on f4 already, that's a bit of luck. Just going to frame my shot now, just to make sure it's all in focus. Right, so I've got to be quick now because it's about to start raining, but at least I'm going to get one shot off. So I've pulled focus, everything's set, so there's only one thing left to do, and that, yeah. I think I've made a mistake. I've got thick thermal trousers on, thick thermal jumper on, and this massive coat. And it turns out to be one of the mildest days of the year. I'm sweating. So I've just set up for another little shot. This is it's quite touching. I like seeing these things. It's a bench that's been put in memory of someone. So I'll just read it out. In memory of Grace, who loved to stroll along this towpath, 1941 to 2005. It's beautiful, and its surroundings peaceful. So peaceful. Couldn't think of a better location for a bench. I'm going to do something different. There's a lovely reflection of the canal bridge just up there, but this lens isn't good enough. This is only an 80mm, so I've got a zoom lens which is 180mm, 18 centimeters. So it's time to change lenses and see if it works. So from this shot, I've got the bigger lens on now, and I'm just framing the bridge that's up there. As you can probably see from that image, it's not worked. There's something wrong with the 18 centimeter lens. It's focusing on the glass, on the ground glass on the top of the camera through the top lens, but clearly the bottom lens is out of alignment or something, because the rest of the images that I take from this point onwards in this video, they'd all come out soft. So I'm gonna have to stop this here, and yeah, disappointing, but we move on. I should just go back to the 80mm lens and all will be good. If there's anything left in this video, we'll play it now. If not, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. So that's it from Cromford Canal. It's starting to drizzle, temperature's dropping a little bit, and I've also finished all my shots. Now I think I've got two which are not going to turn out. One, the shutter stuck, and I think the other one, I nudged my lens on the front, so I think that has been exposed to light. So I'm hoping it hasn't ruined the other shots, but we'll see. So let's go home now and develop these and see what we get. Cheers.